Conditions are optimal. The pasture is lush and the feed is good.
Perfect, they are ready for transport.
Check the tag on that one, it seems irregular. Confirmed. Logging the anomaly now.
The ultrasound looks clear.
Agreed. Cursory check shows full compliance with Standard 4.
Respiratory rate is stable. Record that, please.
Confirmed on the tablet. The skin condition appears healthy.
Check the thickness on the left side. 0.25 millimeters, consistent with the last batch.
The gauge reads 2.1 here.
Acceptable range. The surface finish is excellent.
We need to double check this edge right here. Yeah. Looks clean to me. The system is working perfectly.
This cycle seems much better. The surface is spotless. Yes, completely clean now.
The color consistency is holding steady at 5.2.
Excellent. The batch meets the specifications.
The dimensions are within tolerance on this batch. Verified. I have updated the production log.
Place the leather on the top shelf, carefully. Got it. Inventory updated.
Did you log the new shipment? Yes, everything is secured on level 3.
Check the consistency here, particularly the grain.
It seems slightly off the standard tolerance. Look at the moisture levels.
Scan the batch number for me, quickly.
The quality here is excellent. All batches meet the factory requirements. And the inventory count is accurate across the board.
The stitching is flawless, sir. We've double-checked the alignment.
Excellent work. This one is ready for shipment.